Right, so let's look at G, H and I. So G, nice curve really, starting at the top, going down, up, back and out. Very nice. And G, loop round, down and back. G. Very nice. And H, H. That's H and now H. Very good. And I, and I, 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 I. Yeah, very good. And now G, G and G. Very good. H and H. Nice. Uppercase, lowercase. Very consistent. And I and I. Spot on. Very nice. Okay. So, let's do it once more. Once more. G and G. H and H. I and igloo. I. So, let's get some words to write. Not sure which, per se. Let's have a look. Okay, right. Let's have game. G-A-M-E. Game. And let's have gone. Gone. Game, gone. And hunger. 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 Let's have howl. H-O-W-L. Howl. Oh. Howl. And impress. 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 I M P R E S S. Impress. Oh, okay. Let's try igloo. 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 Igloo, like a cold little snow house. Igloo. Very good. Game, gone, hunger, howl, impress, igloo. Very nice. Okay, so let's do it once more. G and J. G and J. Very good. And H and H. Very good. And I and I. Very pristine. Very nice. G-H-I. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep going.